We are going to unbox the Enagic, this Kangen JR2 model, right? My first machine. This is the invoice. This is the invoice you can see, right? And these are some washers.
Wow.
Lifestyle with Kangen water. Look at this. Welcome. These are few material. Fantastic. Nice. I'm a little excited. Huh?
Fantastic.
So now here
Change
the
your water, change your
king
life.
of antioxidant.
The Mercedes of kitchen.
Yes, the actual Royce. We always talk about.
Wow. Oh my
There's a
god.
machine.
Lovely.
Super. Huh?
Awesome.
So machine.
Awesome. मुबारक हो भाई.
Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत. Change your water, change your life.
So we are going to change the pure health. The definition of real water. This is the actual thing we're going to talk about.
5 types of water. Awesome. So many families will have this, Arjun. How many families in a year?
In a year, very soon we are going to reach 60.
Chalo.
More than 100 families.
Very soon we will record one more video
Definitely.
of your 6A.
Very soon I will going to buy one more K8.
Oh wow. Great.
This is starting.
Great. Superb. Say bye to your viewers.